Look at that little red-haired girl. Isn't she cute?
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick Nation, back with Rick Nation Eats. I am here at Wendy's trying out the new spicy chicken sandwich, or the redefined spicy chicken sandwich. Now, I did some research on this, okay? Wendy's had a spicy chicken sandwich, but everybody was saying it was too big and rubbery, all right? So what they did was they spent $30 million or whatever how much they spent, reduced the size of it, and just redefined it. All right, so here I am, your boy. I got you. I'm about to do a review on it. I did a spicy video. My last video was a spicy video, so now I'm doing another one. All right, let's go get this sandwich. Oh, look. Better give me the right sandwich. Thank you too. I'm gonna spill the spiciness. All right, here we go. Spicy chicken. Ooh-wee. Get on in here. Look at that. There's your close up. Look at that. Look at all that deliciousness. Yeah. Come on, get in there. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Look at that. That's some spiciness. Let's drop the top so y'all can see what's in here. We got some jalapenos. Look like some fried onion rings, some cheese, and there, bacon. Bacon is nice and crispy. Man, these jalapenos trying to run. There we go. It's a nice, decent looking sandwich. And here we go. Hot is made fresh. Woo, there go the heat. There go the heat. Man. Look at all those jalapenos just waiting on me. I don't know why I keep doing this, but damn, this is good. The spicy bacon. Whew. The spicy bacon jalapeno chicken sandwich features a marinated chicken breast that's breaded in the brand's fiery blends of peppers and spices, crispy fried and topped with pickled jalapenos, applewood smoked bacon, and American cheese, topped with crispy fried onions, a savory cheese sauce, and a smoky jalapeno sauce on a lightly toasted bun. It's good. Wendy, crispy, not rubbery, crispy. But God, it looks flat. Oh my. What? Boy, you unprofessional. Look at that cheese sauce. Come on, camera. Focus. Focus for the people. There you go. You know, in my opinion, Popeye's chicken is dropping the people's elbow on everybody. Now, some of y'all gonna sit there and say Chick-fil-A is. This is made fresh. The heat hits hard, but then it gets settled. It's alright. It's alright. It's hot. Very, very flavorful. Not gonna beat Popeyes though. Popeyes a 5 all day. Now see that sweat? Made fresh. Out of 5 stars. You know, Popeyes chicken's a 5. Okay, all day. Woo! I'll give this Wendy's, the little redhead girl, a 3.5. Made fresh, crispy. Wasn't too moist, and I really didn't taste the bacon. Stop being stingy with the bacon, y'all. What y'all need is a chickenator. To make it just like this, like your baconator got all the bacon, y'all should make a chickenator. I said it first. Woo, these spicy foods, man. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for my review. Head out to Wendy's. You guys give it a shot. Let me know if you see me in person. Rick, you fake out, you a flake out. You know what I'm talking about. That Wendy's chicken sandwich was a 5. And my back fix you right in the nose saying you're lying. Yeah, you guys go check it out. I give it a 3.5. You got to compare with the other chicken restaurants, Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I'm still cool and all. It's not as hot as that Colorado burger, smash burger. I'm sorry. Wendy's, this is you. This is your video. Focus. It was good. It was hot. It was spicy. Oh, the heat's kicking in for some reason. Did I eat it too fast? It was hot. It was spicy. Crunchy. Flat though. I like my chicken breast thick. Toasted bun. The bun was soft. The cheese sauce was good. The cheese was good. Not that much bacon. I'm a bacon burger guy. 3.5. All right. That's it for the review. All right. You guys, thank you for hanging out with me for these few minutes. Appreciate you. Love you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.